Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to fill California 568 form, which is about LLC and return of the income. First of all, you have to go on Google and search California form 568. The one on the top of the list is the websites which will redirect you towards the form. So the form is open. You can fill the form on both as online and offline. But the online is the best way. So to form, first of all, you have to put your basic information about your company and other information you have got. And this form contains more than one page. So you have to fill all of these forms. Fill each and every form very carefully and intentionally so the chance of error can be minimized. So after filling this form, you can fill both this form online and offline. All these forms asking is just the basic things about your corporation or industry or any source of income. You can also download it offline and can fill it and mail it to the California government. Thanks for watching.